unboxing. Now, sorry, but gotta run the kids on in the background because I was watching that. If you haven't seen my last video, go check that out if you enjoy unboxings. And it's an unboxing on Blackout, the Skylander. So I got this guy. I don't even have Super Smash Bros yet, but I'll get it. So I thought I might as well get this guy since I'll get him because someone told me that he or she or whatever, I'm just gonna call it a she, that she's rare because, you know, it kind of looks like a girl, but she's rare, so I decided to get it. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna unbox Sheik now. Okay guys, sorry about that, but oh wait. Here is Sheik. As I said, if you do not have the game yet, this guy's Wave 3, semi-common. Sorry if I said this already, but semi-common. I got it at Best Buy. $12.99, Smash Bros. Pretty good price, if I do say so myself. His box printing. Wait one sec, guys. Let's just do this. His box printing is pretty nice. And as you can see, Sheik Super Smash Bros. Nintendo Amiibo. Side of the box. Here's the side. Here's the back. Level up to level 50. Gives you just a little demonstration on how to use your Amiibo. Go to the side. Here's the side again. And back to the front. Okay, so now let's see the unboxing. Let's start. Let me get a knife. Okay, so let's do this nice and easy.
Hey, you know what? You should join the world of exactly what's next meeting.
Okay.
Hey, is that your dog? You grew up with a dog. Hey, Frank did.
Man, this is hard to get out neatly. Whatever. So we got that out now. So here is the full box. First time I'm ever gonna hold my own Amiibo. I have held my friends' Amiibos, but not mine. There we go, slide it right down. So here is Sheik. Get 360 on him in 1 sec. And as you can see, there's this little plastic thing here. So people can't just go in with their new 3DS and scan it. Here, as you can see. Try to see if we can get it out. No, wait, it's just a sticker. Oh my gosh, it's just a sticker. I thought it was like a real plate. Anyway, so that is Sheik. Now let's get a 360. Okay, so here we go. Here's Sheik. So that's Sheik. And here's the bottom. It's kind of hard to see, but it says Amiibo, just some Nintendo stuff. And here's the base. he does have to be held up with this little kickstand. So yeah, this is my first amiibo, Sheik, and she looks pretty good. So yeah guys, that's it for today's unboxing videos. I hope you guys like these. I'll talk to you guys later. See you guys later.